What's going on, everybody? James here from Artofficial Entertainment. Have a quick video today to update you guys on some things that are going to be happening. So the first thing is, I just want to announce that the official Patreon launch is going to be on March 1st. This is going to have assets such as a zombie horde spawner, as well as all behavior tree and necessary AI assets, as well as a combat AI. This is going to have the same principles that we showed in the other AI videos, where it's going to be able to choose combat, choose between the distance of the character, but with a lot better functionality. An easy drag and drop into your system, as all characters have been created utilizing Mixamo. Now you can also easily adjust these, but we'll be doing videos about how to do that later on. Now, the next thing is that I want to discuss just really quickly so that way nobody freaks out when it happens. We are going to be removing the AI series from the channel. And the reason is because I'm going to be redoing all of them. I have found a lot of really cool workarounds and things that'll make it so that way some of the limitations that without any coding no longer become limitations. So I'm going to be redoing all those videos to make sure that whatever information I give you guys is the most accurate, efficient, and best way to do things. And this means that you might see some other videos that are going to change as well as time goes on. But this is just to make sure that I'm constantly updating. Now, when we go, Unreal Engine 5 to 5.1, nothing's going to change there. When it comes to using different Unreal Engine versions, those will all remain. However, if I ever find that there's a better practice in something that I've already shown you guys, I'm going to start redoing these videos. But the AI videos I know you guys really like and have found really helpful. But I'm going to be honest, there's a lot of issues that I have found with some more further testing. So I want to redo all of these and make sure that the information you guys have is going to be the most accurate possible information. So pretty soon, I would say within the next week, you're going to see all of those videos start to be taken down and be replaced by updated versions. So if you have watched the AI series, I strongly recommend going back. I'm going to be making sure to cut these back, making so that they're not an hour long on every one. But there's a lot of information that I cover. So I'm not going to promise that they're not going to be longer videos, but there's going to be so many changes, so much more information that you're going to end up having as a result of this new system. So I just want to make it clear that they are going to be taken down and replaced, and it's going to be a lot of the same functions, but a better practice in doing it. So I'm really excited. So if you guys, are interested in the Patreon, just, kind of circle back around to that really quickly. That is going to be available on March 1st. The link will be loaded on Discord, Facebook, all current videos and, future videos. So if you guys need the link on March 1st, I would say pretty much at like 6 a.m. You could pretty much go right to the Discord and it'll be there. And you guys will have access to those AI systems as well as an interaction system utilizing the interaction as well as the dynamic pickup system that I showed you guys how to make. Some animations, some models, whole bunch of cool stuff. And an ever-evolving growing library too. At the base cost of just $5 a month, that's it. So I'm trying to make sure that if you guys support me, I give you something back. It's very important to me. So I'm not going to give you guys anything that's broken or not working. I'm making sure that everything is not only working, but is effective and simple to be able to integrate into any system that you want. So keep an eye out. There's going to be a commercial video where I'm going to show all of the different assets that are going to be available. I'll be doing videos, just clipping, certain things together, showing you guys how the zombie hoarder works, how the combat AI works, how the different animations that we have work, how the different models are going to be looking, all this type of stuff. So keep an eye out for that. That's going to be coming out probably later this week. But for right now, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far. And as always, stay animated.